Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Hope everyone has had a wonderful week, depending on what platform you're seeing this on. For whatever reason, I've gotten so many questions this particular week. I don't know if it's because it's late July. But anyway, so I have a student who's sent me this chart and is confused on consolidation. So I'm going to do this video for him, and hopefully it'll help others as well. So, consolidation is when candles and wicks and all that are kind of moving side to side, right? There's not move ups, there's not really move downs, there's not pullbacks. It's really where the markets aren't doing anything. That's where buyers and sellers are duking it out as to which direction it'll go. So he sent me this chart and he was confused on where's consolidation, okay? So right here, there's no consolidation, okay? It's getting ready to make a move down. These are considered this is a very small pullback, but this is a little consolidation right here, okay? This is a little consolidation right here, right? They're battling it out whether it's up or down. The candles don't have to be the exact same length for consolidation. If I drew a line here and drew a line here, and it's just going side by side, that's consolidation. This isn't consolidation. This can be considered consolidation, right? It's not really a pullback, because a pullback would be back down a little significantly lower. That would be considered a pullback. So the biggest consolidation on this particular chart, and this is the 30-minute Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, is right here, right? This is a 30-minute chart, right? Yes, 30-minute chart. Here, 4 or 5 candles, that's consolidation. There's really no move up, there's really no move down, etc. Okay? Hopefully that helps. You do not want to trade in and out of consolidation. You don't want to trade while in consolidation. You want to wait for, in the case of smart money, kind of a break of structure. As far as the impulse scanner, you want to pull back, etc. Okay? But under most circumstances, 99.9 strategies, you're not trading in consolidation. Okay? Because it's not doing anything. Buyers and sellers, they're duking it out. Okay? Hopefully this helps somebody. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. And have a wonderful